Okay, let's have a serious talk about the elephant in the room. Is artificial intelligence coming for your IT job? It feels like a tidal wave is coming, right? You see the headlines, you hear the predictions, and it's easy to wonder if you're making a huge mistake trying to get into this field. And you're not wrong to be concerned. The data is real. Experts predict that AI could automate up to 30% of the hours worked in the US by 2026. Repetitive, data-driven tasks and roles like help desk, customer service, and even junior programming are absolutely being impacted. So does that mean the game is over? Is it time to panic and look for another career? Not just no, but hell no. And I'm going to explain why. Think of it like this. AI is the single greatest power tool ever invented. It's a nail gun that can fire 100 times faster than a human with a hammer, but a nail gun cannot design the blueprint for a house. It can't inspect the foundation or solve a complex plumbing problem behind the walls. For that, you need a master carpenter. In the world of IT, employers are not looking to hire the nail gun. They are looking to hire a master carpenter who knows how to use the nail gun to build better and faster than ever before. This brings us to the most important question. In a world of AI power tools, are foundational certifications like the CompTIA A+ still worth it? The answer is that they are now more important than ever. CompTIA themselves are not ignoring this. They just announced a massive expansion of their certifications to specifically cover AI, with new specializations like Security AI Plus and Data AI Plus. They are actively building the bridge from the fundamentals to the future. Your A+ certification is the blueprint for the house. It's the knowledge of how hardware talks to software, how networks connect, and how to secure it all. You cannot be a master carpenter if you don't understand the blueprint. AI is a tool that sits on top of that foundation. It doesn't replace it. So, here is your simple 3-step action plan to become an AI-proof master carpenter of IT. Step 1. Pour the foundation. This is your absolute first move. Get your CompTIA A+ certification. Master the fundamentals. Don't even think about the fancy power tools until your foundation is rock solid. Step 2. Learn to use the new power tools. Start exploring AI. See what CompTIA's new AI essentials are all about. Play with tools like ChatGPT for troubleshooting. Learn to leverage AI as the powerful assistant it is. Step 3. Never stop building. Your A+ is the start, not the end. The IT pros who thrive are the ones who are always adding a new room to their house, always picking up the next tool. This is the path. This is how you go from being worried about that tidal wave to being the one who builds the house that can withstand any storm. And if you're ready to pour that foundation, the best place to start is with our free A+ readiness quiz. It'll show you exactly where you stand. You can find that and all of our brand new 1201 and 1202 study resources at techvaultacademy.com.